In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print PDFs with comments in Adobe Acrobat DC. If you've ever shared a PDF with teammates or clients and used highlights, sticky notes, or text edits, you know how important it is to include those comments when you print. I'll walk you through the exact settings to make sure every note and pop-up appears on paper the way you expect. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat DC, then open the PDF that contains your comments. Next, go to the main menu in the top left corner and open Preferences. On Windows, you can also press Ctrl+K. On Mac, go to Acrobat in the menu bar, then Preferences. Preferences control how comments behave when you view and print, so we'll set this once to avoid surprises later. In the Preferences window, select the Commenting category. Look for the option labeled Print Notes and Pop-ups and turn it on. This ensures that the contents of sticky notes and other pop-up annotations are included when you print, not just their icons. It's a small checkbox that makes a big difference. Click OK to save your change and return to your document. Now it's time to print. Open the menu again and choose Print. You can also press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. In the Print dialog, find the section labeled Comments and Forms, click the drop-down and choose Document and Markups. This tells Acrobat to include all visible annotations, highlights, notes, text edits, stamps, and callouts on the printed pages. If you leave it on Document, your pages will print without any comments, so make sure Document and Markups is selected. Take a look at the preview on the right if it's available. You should see your markups and, where applicable, note callouts. If your comments look crowded near the page edge, choose Fit or Shrink Oversized Pages under Page Sizing so nothing gets clipped. Also confirm the correct printer, page range, color or grayscale, and orientation. These settings won't change your comments, but they help the output look clean and readable. When everything looks good, click Print to send your document, complete with comments, to the printer. If you don't see certain notes, double check that they're visible on the page in Acrobat and that Print Notes and Pop-ups is still enabled in Preferences. That's it. With the commenting preference enabled and document and markup selected in the Print dialog, your PDF will print exactly as reviewed, saving time and avoiding back and forth. Thanks for watching and happy printing.